Okay, I'm back. Oh, and it doesn't look like too good of a stream. I mean, a trade. I should be live though. Let me check. If you're confident in your trade, but so far you're losing, then yeah, you could add, like, as long as it matches your risk management. I am back. We're so back, guys. Not really back on the trade because it's not looking too great, but we got this candle here. All right, 5-minute order book. I'm not going to draw that out because I like my charts clean. I'm not going to add positions yet, but if we close below that, I'll add some. I'll add 2. I thought it lagged out again, and it was just price wasn't moving. Oh, wow, baby. That's a better reaction on that 3-minute. There we go. Hey, Ben, taking off. Well, touch base later. Okay, hey, Rex. Everyone congratulate Rex on his first payout. Let's go, Rex. So that's a good reaction there. So downside listening. Somebody in my previous chat said, trying to catch the tops on election year markets. Good luck with that. Ha ha ha. If you just take the time and glimpse a little bit above the screen of where my chart is, you will see $11,200 on the month. So I think my model that I use works. Thank you very much. Like, come into my chat and try to laugh at me when I'm up like a crazy amount this month. Okay. So far the trade's working out. Okay, we got this inversion here. Gonna add one more contract.
Order filled.
All right, this look is looking okay. I don't like that 15-minute candle though. We got a lot of speed to the downside here. I just want to see it continue now. 1 minute is respecting the inversion. This is like watching paint dry. Yeah. I think it's going to speed up now, though. 11:30. It's coming up. We're getting some movement here. Back into the inversion one more time. Let's measure out the quadrants to see. Okay, we tap the upper quadrant. Oh, okay. Let's get rid of this inversion and let's draw that SIBI. Okay, we traded just above consequent encroachment of it. That's kind of our last resort in this trade. Last resort is this inversion up here, actually. Other than that, there's nothing really that interesting. We still got this 3 minute. Okay, if we displace below that low in this candle, that is just primed. No, brother, I wasn't making fun. I was just making you think about what we have learned. Well, I mean, dude, I've been trading this way all of election year, and I've gotten multiple payouts and everything. So I'm not going to just change the way I trade just because it's not working for 2 days. It's been working all year, and it stopped work. Like the month of July, it didn't work for literally 2.5 weeks. I was in straight drawdown, loss after loss after loss. But then the next month, I got into a crazy winning streak. This month, I'm in a crazy winning streak, right? Not winning streak because I have two losses now, but literally one loss. But just because you lose a little bit doesn't mean your model doesn't work. So look how we trade into that inversion, consequent encroachment. Looks like we're trading lower now. Right now we're just barcoding. I want to see price get a displacement below these relative equal lows here. I don't want to see this high taken. I'm thinking on dragging my stop loss to that high. But again, we have this resting right above it. So it could still take it and then trade lower again. But very soon I do want to see price move lower. Longest losing streak is a month straight of losing. Straight, just month. I didn't have a single winning trade the whole month. So this 1 minute BISI here, I don't like. I want to see price invert that. But I've had 2 losing trades so far this week, Monday, and so far today. But I'm only down 1 trade, 1 RR, because I risk 800 per trade. If I lose this trade, I'll be down a trade and a half. So all I need is 1 winning trade, and I'm not only break even, but I'm actually up on the week. I am back with the streams, Alejandro. I've been streaming for quite a while now, actually. A few weeks. Did you lose a fund account during that time, or did you reduce risk? I did lose a live account. I think I lost 2 live accounts out of 5. But I maintained quite a bit. I did do decent risk management, but you can tell, like, when you're in a losing streak for a whole month, your mental goes left. So far, we're getting rejection off this inversion right here. This is the inversion that broke this high, so it's a little bit stronger than this inversion. But it's not looking too great. I think I'm going to delete the makeup of the inversions and just draw out this 3 minute SIBI. Alright, we're also in that 5 minute SIBI to the order block. That's why I haven't dragged my stop loss yet. What was your mental like during that time? I would have lost my shit. Oh yeah, it was hard. I was waking up every single day and just losing. So I didn't fully manage my trades properly just because of my mental, but I pushed past it because I knew that it was just a season, and now here I am. How you been, bro? How's Nick? Nick's doing good. He got a new job at a hedge fund, so he's doing good. I've been doing good, just trading, just racking up the trading. Nothing crazy. Working on some projects on the behind the scenes, Alejandro. Nick, haven't really talked to Nick that much. I talked to him yesterday, but that much just because he's like working like crazy at this new company. working on Bay Street in Toronto, which is like which is like Wall Street, but the Canadian version. So we're reacting off of this 3 minute. Look how many times we're respecting consequent encroachment of it, right? So I still think we're primed for a nice little short. Was there a reason for the losses? Yeah, it was this manual intervention. This was my best month of my whole life. June. July, how we just had this big bearish rally. I wasn't smart enough to just manual intervention protocol, like short protocol. And I was trying to catch reversals, and I just had terrible trading this month. August was break even, and then September was great, and then October was great. Do I have videos explaining my strategy? Yep, I do. We're coming off the order block. Yeah, we got a 5 minute one. What I'm paying attention to though is the 3 minute SIBI here. I think we're due for a displacement to the downside. Do you have a live funded account with TASA or just XFAs? No, I don't have a live yet actually. I haven't accumulated 5 payouts. I'm very conservative with the way I trade my XFAs. So I still have XFAs. Do you ever let a trade on throughout lunch? Well, it depends on how the market's moving, you know? I'm not going to close a trade just because it's lunchtime. Alright, so we're just been consolidating in this SIBI for so long. It's on your YouTube channel. It is on my YouTube channel. A lot of the things that I trade is on my YouTube channel. One subscriber away from 580. Almost at 600 already, guys. You guys are crazy. Alright, so we're looking like we might get a displacement here. Possibly. Would hope to see it now. Just patience, man. It's getting boring. Tick tock, tick tock. When are we gonna get like a fat displacement? Something like this. No? Give me this. Straight to the downside of those relative equal lows. Right, 5 minute SIBI still being respected. I still think we're gonna sell off here. Here's one more subscriber. Almost. Hasn't updated yet. Might be a little delayed. But thank you, Ella. Ned, are you bullish or bearish? Well, I'm in a short, so I'm pretty bearish. Hey, 580. Let's go. Crazy. Crazy growth in the past month of streaming. Soon we're gonna be streaming to like 1,000 viewers. We have a high of 89 viewers, an average of 80. The reason why we have 54 now is because my stream crashed. But we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Then I'll start doing giveaways and everything. Because I can't make money on YouTube yet. Once I start making money on YouTube, I'll definitely give back and I'll do giveaways. Haven't gotten displacement yet, but we're getting some more bearish momentum. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I want to get off the charts. But you know what I want more? Is to pass this funded account. If we win this trade, I think we'll pass it. The market is edgy, man. It's pretty nasty. Could I please explain why we're bearish? Well, we took buy side liquidity. We have the opening range gap left open that we haven't traded to. Relative equal lows. That's why I'm bearish. Funded with top step. Everything I do is on top step. I'm also so hungry right now, bro. You do not understand. This is like watching, like what that guy said, watching paint dry. You're between MO and WO. What's MO and WO? I got my first ever payout last week, then blew my account. Now it seems like I can't pass a combine to save my life. Yeah, because you're emotional. Think about all that's happened in the past week. You've got a payout, you've blown it, and now you're trying to pass a combine. Bro, take a break. Sit back. Like, you're emotional right now. Once you get your first payout, you're emotional, you get greedy, fearful, whatever. Just take a break. Bro, I took sell in 930 for value gap. Can you please tell me if it was a good trade? 930 fair value gap. That little thing? I don't think so. I mean, you did take buy side liquidity at sell side, but narrative wise, you didn't have a displacement. All right, you need usually wait for 930 to play out a little bit. Wait for the 950 macro. See how price is disgusting. The 950 comes and it starts ripping higher. It's time then price. Monthly open and weekly open. Oh yeah. We're resting at new day opening gap. Tapped into it. Now it's trading away from it. Literally just resting into this 3-minute SIBI. Waiting for the day to come of a displacement. Do I back test a lot? No. I forward test a lot though. Back testing is for finding a model and refining your model. I already have my model, so I don't really back test. Boring, man. This is so boring. Do you have a strategy or a plan? Of course. Everybody has a strategy and a plan. But one of the mistakes I made when I was first starting out trading is trying to copy someone else's strategy and plan. They make that strategy and plan based off their trading and their personality type. You got to just spend the time and figure it out yourself. Yeah, in the past I backtested a lot. But I'm also in a trade. Do both. I'm bored. You got the 5-minute bodies respecting, right? It did trade below consequent encroachment though. 3-minute is respecting fairly well. And we did just take buy side liquidity. Again, this inversion is being respected fairly well on ES. You leaving, Alejandro? Okay, my man. Thank you for stopping by, bro. Long time no see. I'm glad everything's going well. Thank you, my man. Catch you later. Alejandro's one of the original viewers, guys. Original viewers. My strategy is I find the drawn liquidity and I find a lower time frame entry. That's literally it. I just figure out when I just tape read. My lower time frame model is 2022. Benjamin, I replaced my stop at 11.2 high. What do you think? Yes, it's decent, but again, you still have this as a PD array that I could react off of. And you have a volume imbalance up here as well that hasn't been traded to. So there's a possibility of trading to that volume imbalance then moving lower. But honestly, whatever matches your risk management, then follow that. Back into the 3-minute SIBI here. And trading lower again. I'm so exhausted. This is actually so tiring. I like how we got some new week opening gap. Yeah. It's not looking like the greatest trade. How do you find your drawn liquidity? It's swing highs, swing lows, relative equal highs, relative equal lows, opening range gaps, right? Drawn liquidity, that could be a drawn liquidity, that's a drawn liquidity, that's a drawn liquidity. Just need to figure out what price is playing out too. Right, when price is doing this, what is it itching towards? This. Right, so that's drawn liquidity. When price is slowing down and displacing lower, it's itching towards these draws and liquidities, relative equal lows. I think what's going to happen is we're going to randomly just get a fat displacement to the downside. But it's so slow right now, dude. I bet you the 1 minute is just so slow. Or not the 1 minute, the 1 second. Yeah, the 1 second is just barcoding. Not 15 second, disgusting. Not a single big bodied candle in the 15 second. Look at all the up close candles on this 1 minute with volume imbalances. Like, that's getting traded past. Yeah, hopefully the 1150 macro does something. Well, look at all these volume imbalance, volume imbalance, volume imbalance, volume imbalance, volume imbalance, volume imbalance. Every single candle has a volume imbalance. Like, that's gonna get traded past. Well, relative equal highs is buy side liquidity. That's what ICT teaches. How much have been you in trading? How much have you been trading? I'm gonna anticipate that you're asking how long I've been trading for. Almost 4 years. I'm done. Close all my positions. Try the hardest to manage this trade down to $100 of risking 200. Hey, my man, listen. No position is a position. You know, be happy with what happens. Even if it ends up going down here, even if it ends up going up here, be happy with what you did. There's always gonna be another day to trade. Thank you for stopping in the stream, Zahid. Have a good day, my man. Reaching up higher into the SIBI again. It's only a matter of time until we get a displacement somewhere, so I'm willing to wait it out. Five minutes till the 1150 macro. This little fair value gap that I traded into there, which caused price to rip down lower. I'm exhausted. This trade better pay for me to wait in here for so long. Alright, we have this here. Alright, trading to the upper quadrant. I want to see price close below consequent encroachment again. That'll be a good indication of sell side. Dude, that's a lot of minutes, man. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 minutes we've been in this trade. Wowzers. Bring your strategy on top, down analysis. I'm sure I posted something, but mainly if you're trading the 1 minute, you mainly want pay attention to like the hourly, 15-minute, 5-minute. Don't really need to pay attention to the daily chart if you're day trading. $30 seconds till the new 3-minute. Let's see if we respect this SIBI. Doesn't look like it will right now. Let me get rid of this makeup. I want to NQ go lower so bad, but on the other side it looks like a classic bullish pattern. It looks bullish to me, but the fact that we've been just consolidating in here and we took buy side liquidity makes me want to say that we're going to move lower. Look at that too, eh? Look at that. Look at the respect there. Funny, huh? Every single candle here that has traded higher and been sitting has been respecting consequent encroachment of this 3-minute SIBI. That is why I'm still in this trade. I think we could possibly get our displacement now to the downside. This trade's gonna pay off, guys. It's gonna be worth it waiting this long. I'm telling you. Props to all the people waiting in this stream during this price action. Oh. Come on, dude. Give us this displacement, please. I'm hungry. I see it also always says that the bodies tell a story. Exactly. Bodies do tell stories, man. And look at these bodies. Respecting consequent encroachment of this 3-minute SIBI. See that? It's just a matter of time. Our patience will be duly rewarded. Hopefully. I've learned more ICT in your last few streams than in the past year. Thank you, my man. I'm glad that can help. Hey, I think it's really good to watch somebody trade and speak what's on their mind and what goes through their head while trading. If you guys want to help me out and be able to help me be able to stream better and do like giveaways and discords and everything, tweet at me and say say how these live streams are helping you, and then that'll bring more exposure to me, and then if I get more exposure, I'll be able to do more things, right? So right now I can't get paid on YouTube. Once I do, I can start doing giveaways and stuff. Again, lacking the displacement to the downside, which is killing me right now, bro. 1150 macros driving us higher, which is not what I like to see. This is not what I like to see. Yeah, I think we're going to lose this trade. I think we waited this long to lose the trade, man. Ouch. Ouchers. Not looking like it's respecting the 3-minute SIBI anymore. Hopefully I don't get stopped out. Yeah, see, disrespected it. Traded into the inversion, the volume imbalance though, so that is our last resort. Did not body above mean threshold of the order block though. Listen, consolidation, expansion, so accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We could have a small little AMD session here, but I don't know, man. We took this high. Looks like we're going to continue up higher from here. Possibly down up, possibly up to here. You're out? Yeah, guys, don't Don't lose your balance today. There's no news, so don't go crazy. But again, oh, we did form a little low there. Right there is my stop. We'll get rid of this makeup and let's put this here. This little, yeah, probably getting stopped out here after waiting so long. What a shame. What a shame. It's all right though. We're still up quite a bit on this week. How much would I be losing if when I lose this trade? 500. So then that would be 1,300. Yeah. Yeah, 1,300 on the week. I don't know, man. Trade's not looking too great. Alright, 15-minute BISI looks like it's going to drive price higher. I'd be surprised if I win this trade, dude. I'm not going to lie. Well, we got that BISI here. Market structure shift, fair value gap, order breaker. That looks like it's primed to drive price higher. That'll be funny though if I win this trade. Look how close that is to my stop loss. But it's not looking too good. Still up quite a bit on the month though, so we're still fine. But no strong displacement downside, I know. It's sad. The whole day we didn't have a displacement to the downside. That crazy. At least my portfolio is up. Do I speak Spanish? No. I do not speak Spanish. And at least my portfolio is up today. Small fair value gap, yeah. Order failed. Oh, what the heck? Oh, my stop loss is like right here. My stop loss is right there. You guys don't understand how close it is.
Order filled.
There it is. All right. That's probably it for me for today. We're still good on the week. We're still good on the month. Not good on the week, sorry. We're still good on the month. Let's just update this for the next stream. So negative 300. No, that's 200 on the week. And then that'd be 11,200 minus 500. That'd be 10,700. $10,700 on the month. Alright guys, I think that's it for me today. I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go make something to eat. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow if the price action is doing good. If not, then Thursday. Actually no, I'm probably not gonna stream tomorrow. I might. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the stream. Still holding the door. Still short. Hey, I hope you win it, man. But thank you guys for watching the stream, and I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy. Peace.